Discrimination at work case study. Rita was feeling frustrated. This year also, she did not get the much deserved promotion. To add to her anger, a lot of male junior officers have been promoted. She was in a flux and deliberating on challenging the management for this. She pulled up all promotion data for last 5 years. And seeing them, she sued management for discrimination. Management came up with the following response that the difference is due to the skewed ratio of men and women and not discrimination. To further her investigation, Rita dug up more data. 100 men got promoted of 300 men, and 10 women got promoted from total 60 women in the organization. She calculated three things. One, marginal probability, which is promotion probability calculated independently to any other event in this case study. For example, what is the probability of finding a person randomly who is promoted from the total employee base, which gives us a 0.30 marginal probability. Another example, what is the probability of finding a person randomly who is a man from the total employee base, which gives us 300, the total number of men, divided by 360, the total number of employees, and which gives us 0.833 as the marginal probability. Please note, in the above examples, the calculations are independent of any other event, and that's why it is marginal probability. 2. Joint probability, which will give Rita the probability of finding a person randomly from total employee base who is promoted and a man, which is equal to the number of men divided by the total employee base, which gives us 0.22. Please note that for calculating joint probability, we have to consider total number of employees as the base, which is 360 in this case. And similarly, we'll also calculate the joint probability for finding a person randomly from total employee base who's promoted and a woman. That would come to 0.027. And 3. Conditional probability. Probability of promotion given it is a man. Explains probability that if you choose at random from a lot of men, then there is a 0.33, referring to the table, chance that the chosen man is promoted. This is called conditional probability, where there is a condition before calculating. In this case, it is given that it is a man. Similarly, conditional probability for women is also calculated. Looking at the data, Rita knows that she has all the data to substantiate her claim. Since probability of a man getting promoted among all the men is 0.33 and probability of women getting promoted among all the women is 0.17. The final conclusion for her case is probability of getting promoted is twice if you're a man. And this is how we can solve business problem by using probability concept.